Runge-Kutta fourth order or RK4 method for ordinary differential equation. Okay, for step size h here greater than 0, so y sub n plus 1 is equal to y sub n plus h over 6 k sub 1 times the sum of k sub 1, 2k2, and 2k3, and k sub 4. The t sub n sub 1 here is equal to t sub n plus 8 here, the step size. For n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, up to n. So our given slope here is k1 is equal to slope 1, function of t sub n and y sub n. Then we have the k sub 2, f of t sub n plus h over 2, and y sub n plus k1 h over 2. K sub 3 is equal to f t sub n, then again plus h over 2. Y sub n plus k sub 2 h over 2. Then k sub 4 here is t sub f of t sub n plus h, and y sub n plus hk3. So we have the geometric interpretation here. So we have the k sub 1 here is the slope at t sub 0 here. Then k sub 2 here is the slope at the midpoint, t sub 0 plus h over 2. And we have the k sub 3 here is it's also the slope at the midpoint, t sub 0 plus h over 2. And k sub 4 is the slope at t sub 0 plus h here. So we have the k sub 4, we have the k sub 3 here, and we have the k sub 2. We have the k sub 1 starts at t sub 0. So equation 7 is interpreted as the product of the average of the slope, here, and interval h. So if y sub 0 is the initial y coordinate, then y sub 1 is the new y coordinate. That is y sub 1 is equal to y sub 0 plus h over 6 times the sum of k sub 1 to k sub 2 to k sub 3 and k sub 4. Then we are going to substitute equation 8 to have a new value for y sub 2 with new values k sub 1 prime, k sub 2 prime, k sub 3 prime, and k sub 4 prime. So we have the new value here, y sub 2 equal to y sub 1 plus h over 6 times k sub 1 prime plus 2 k sub 2 prime plus 2 k3 prime plus k sub 4 prime. So this solution can be continued for several numbers of points here. So we have example here, find the solution of dy over dx equal to x minus y with initial condition y equal to 2 when x equal to 0 using RK4 method. Use 4 sample points here. And we have the solution here, RK4 solution, dy over dx equal to x minus y, y of 0 equal to 2. So at x equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So RK4 formula, find dy dx. So dy dx here is equal to f of xy, stepping from x sub n to x sub n plus h. So we have the k sub 1 here. So we have the k sub 1 refers to the y sub n. So h times the slope, this initial slope here, f of x sub n plus x, f of x sub n and y sub n. Then the second slope here, if the k sub 2 here is h. So it refers to the delta y here, the product of h and f of x sub n plus h over 2 and y sub n plus k sub 1 over 2 here. Then k sub 3, h of x sub n plus h sub 2, h over 2 plus and y sub n plus k2 over 2. K sub 4 is equal to h times f of x sub n plus h, y sub n plus k sub 3. So the new value here of y here is y sub n plus 1 equal to y sub n plus 1 over 6. So k sub 1 plus 2 k sub 2 plus 2 k3 k4. So problem set up here. So the given problem here is f of xy. This is dy over dx equal to x minus y. Y of 0 or at x equal to 0, y equal to 2, and step size here is equal to 0.1. So let's start from x sub 0 to x 0.1. So x sub 0 equal to 0, and y sub 0 equal to 2. So using the dy over dx equal to x minus y here, so we have the 0.1 here times f of 0, 2. So this is 0.1. So x minus y here, so 0 minus 2 equal to negative 0.2. Then we have the k sub 2 here. So 0.1 times, so this is 0.05 is the midpoint of from 0 to 0.1. So 0.052 plus, so half of the negative 0.2. So this is 0.1 times f of 0.05, 1.9. So this is 8 here. So 0.1 times f of xy. This is dy over dx equal to 0.05 minus 1.9, so negative 1.85. Then we have the k sub 3, 0.1 times, so we have the same midpoint here, 0.05, then 2 plus 0.0185 divided by 2. So this is 0.1 times f of 0.05, 1.9075. So here, the difference between the two here, the two values equal to 1.9075. So using the dy over dx, x minus y, so we have 0.1 times 0.05 minus 1.975 equal to negative 1, negative 0.18575. Then we have the case sub here. So we have the 8 here equal to 0.1. And we have 2 minus 1.8575 here. So k sub 3. So this is the k sub 3 here. Then this is 0.1 times f of xy here. So 0.1, 0.1 minus 1.81425. So this is negative 1.171425. So the y sub 1 here is 2 times 1 over 6. So we have the negative 0.2 here. So twice the value of k sub 2 here, plus twice the value of k sub 3. We have the k sub 4 here, negative 171,425. So the y sub 1 here is equal to 1.8145112. Then the next is from 0.1 to x equal to 0.1 to x equal to 0.2. Then we have the starting point here, x equal to x of 1 equal to 0.1, and the new value for y here is 1.814512. So we have the case of 1 here, 0.1, dy dx equals to 0.1, and y here is equal to 1.814512. So this is dy over dx equal to x minus y here, so 0.1. So x equal to 0.1 minus y 1.814512 equal to negative 1.71451. Then we have the case sub 2 here. Then we have the midpoint of the midpoint from 0.1 to 0.2 here is 0.15. Then we have the y sub 1 here was 1.814512. Then minus 0.085726. So this one is equal to 1/2 of negative 0.171451. 1/2 of that is negative 0.08572. So this is equal to 0.1. So dy over dx is equal to 0.15 minus 1.728786. So this negative 0.157829. So the case sub 3 here is 0.1. Then we still have the midpoint of 0.1 and 0.2 here, 0.15. So we have the y sub 1 here, 1.814512. This one, minus half of this negative 0.15, 7879. One half of that is 0.078939. So this is K sub 3 is negative 0.158557. Then we have the K sub 4.1. Then our h here is the whole value is from 0.1 to 0.2. So this is equal to 0.2. This is from 0.1 to 0.2. So at the end, our x here is equal to 0.2. Then now 1.8145, 1.814512. So this is the y sub 1 minus, so the one half of this is equal to, no, the minus minus the k sub 3 here, 158,557. So that is equal to 0.1 of if dy over dx is equal to 0.2, 1.655955. So we have to subtract this 1.814512 minus 0.158557. So that is 1.655955. So you have dy over dx equal to 0.2 minus 1.655955. So times 0.1, so that is negative 0.145596. So the y sub 2 here is 1.814512. So this one 1.814512. Then plus 1 over 6. So this is the k sub 1. Twice of the k sub 2 here. Then twice of the k sub 3. And we have the k sub 4 here at negative 0.145596. So this one. So our value for the y sub 2 is 1.656192. Then from 0.2 to 0.3 here, so for the initial value here is 0.2. So our y here is equal to 1.65. Y sub 2 here is 1.656192. 192. So 0.2 minus 1 6 minus 1.656192. So this is negative 0.145619. Then for the case up to here, 0.1. Then at the midpoint, this is from 0.2 to 0.3. So the midpoint is 0.25. Then we have the 158,382. So we have here the 1.656192 minus half of this 0.145619. So this the answer is 1.583382. So 0.1 times dy over dx, 0.25 minus 1.5332. So we have negative 1.33838. Then for the case of 3, 0.1, then we are still in the midpoint here, 0.025. So this one is 1.5 589. So this is obtained by subtracting the half of this from 1.656192. So 1.656192 minus half of 0.13338. So we have 1.5589523. Then this is dy over dx, x minus y times 0.1. This is negative 0.13352. Then for this one, our h here is from 0.2 to 0.3. So this the length is 0.1, so 0.2 plus 0.1 equal to 0.3, and 1.5 22240. So we are going to subtract here. So we have 1.656192 minus minus okay, so this is 1.656192 minus negative minus 0.133392. So this is equal to 1.55240. So this is 0.1 times dy over dx, x minus y. So this is negative 0.12224. Okay. So we have a summary here for x from 0 to 0.3 here. So we have to consider only the 4 sample points here. Then by using the RK4 here, so our y here is 1.814512. 1 point y sub. So this is our y sub. This is our y sub 1. This is y sub 0. This is y sub 1. This is the y sub 2. Then the y sub 3 here is 1.522455. Okay. Then we have our exact solution here. By using the analytical solution, this is y of x equal to x minus 1 plus 3 times e to the negative x. So by using the data plot here, so this line plot here, so we have the given points here. The given points is 0, 2 point, then 0.1, 1.81, 4512. Then for x equal to 0.2, so this is 1.6256192. For x equal to 0.3, so y equal to 1.522455. And we are going to list line plot there using the Mathematica here. So we have the values of x here 0 to 0.1 to 0.2 to 0.3. So we have the corresponding value for y here. So using this RK4 solution, dy over dx equal to x minus y, y of 0 equal to 2. We have the colored blue here is the exact solutions. So they are almost at the same here. So we have they almost fit to each other. So the colored red here is the RK4 solution. We have the solution by the exact solution, the colored blue. So they almost so they are almost at the same. We have the same. We have almost the same plot here. So by using the exact solutions, so x minus 1 plus 3 times e to the negative x here. So from 0 to 0.3 here. So by using the 10 sample points here from 0 to 9, so we can extend the number of points here from 0 to 10. So from 0 to 0.9, then we have the corresponding value for y using the Ruggie quota 4. So from 2 to 1.048, 1.046812. Now we have the exact solution here. So by using the RK4 here, we have the plot here, the solution. And using the exact solution here, so we have the small deviation here for the colored blue. The colored blue is the exact solution, and the colored red is the RK4 solutions. This is for the 10 sample points.